welcome in your English class. Today's date is 11th and today we are going to do the topic keep away from germs. This chapter we have read yesterday. I hope you have seen the video which I have sent regarding this chapter and you have read the chapter twice as I have said according to the homework. Now today we are going to solve the book exercise of the same chapter. Open your book everyone. Page number 90. Page number 90. Today we are going to solve this exercise. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Okay. So, some words are given here. You can see on page number 91. Some words are given here in this pink box. Okay. And from that pink box there are 8 words given, and from these words we have to do the fill up of these blanks which are given. So let's start doing. Okay, this is fill up. Okay, first one. Steam can drive engines. Our teacher did and dash in the class to show this. Our teacher did what? Did an experiment. Our teacher did an experiment to show this. Experiment. Don't write wrong spelling. Just copy it from the back. Okay. Next. Dash changes into water. What changes in dash changes ice into water. What changes ice into water? Obviously heat. See, this coffee is cold. Make me a dash cup of coffee, Mr. Datta said to his wife. If Mr. Datta don't want cold coffee, then what he want? He want a hot coffee. Now D. In this place the days are hot, but at night the dash comes down and it is cool. What comes down? Temperature. Okay, now next. The thief has dashed from jail. The police are trying to catch him. The thief has escaped. The thief has escaped from jail. Okay. Now turn your page. F. You can see your face in a looking glass because it reflects light. This thing you have read in science, I hope. So it will be reflect. Now G. Can a thief break this lock? I don't think dash. It is a strong lock. Can a thief break this lock? I don't think so. So in the blank it will be so. Next, last, H number. Was it very hot in Delhi? Yes, it was very hot indeed. Okay, now our second exercise is question answer that we will do afterwards. First we will complete all the book exercises. Now, number 2. State if the following sentences are true or false. We have to do true or false. Please do it correctly, don't do wrong, okay? Just see the board, and if you have any spelling problem, you can see it from here and write. Don't write wrong spelling. The bacterium says that it is quite famous for causing typhoid fever. Yes, it is true. B. The bacterium says that Montu was not his friend. False. C. The task of WBC is to get rid of any harmful microbes entering the body. It is true. Now D. Very frequently flies carry bacteria with them and settle on roadside food. Yes, this is true. Okay, now we will do complete the sentences with the words from the lesson. That is again 3 number here. Complete the sentence. Complete the sentence. After entering Montu's intestine, the bacteria entered his, it will be bloodstream. Now B. The doctor dashed an antibiotic injection in Montu's body. The doctor injected. Now see, on reaching safely, the bacteria started to multiply at once and then planned a counter attack. Okay, now D. The bacteria could not multiply fast enough because of the reinforcement of antibiotics. Okay, so we have done this exercise. Now exercise 4 is what? Put a tick on the correct option. Okay, now A. Very frequently flies carry bacteria along with them and settle on what? Settle on sewage, rubbish, food, all of them. Obviously all of them. So all of them is written there. You have to put a tick mark here. Now B. By the time Montu fall very sick, the bacteria were enjoying themselves unaware of any what? Danger. Now C. Protection against germs can be had by getting a vaccination. So, beside vaccination, you are going to put a tick mark. Next, the bacterium, which is the character in the lesson, says that we consider ourselves harmless. Harmless what? Bacteria. Okay. That's all for the book exercise. Now we are going to solve the question answer. Okay. Now in your copy, what you are going to do, I have said already to give the heading, keep away from germs, and then you will write the vocabs which I have given you as homework. Yesterday we have done this. After that, from the next page, you are going to start with the question answer. Okay. Now I am rubbing this answers. Now we are going, I will copy the question also so that you can easily write the question as well as the answer. Okay. Question number 1. Why do bacteria why do bacteria multiply faster? Why do bacteria multiply faster? Answer will be bacteria. Listen to me, the answer why do bacteria multiply faster? This answer is having some scientific proofs, but we will write this answer according to the chapter which is given. According to the chapter we are going to write this answer, because scientifically you can't say this answer will be correct, but logically according to the chapter this answer is correct. So why do bacteria multiply faster? Bacteria multiply faster so that human beings cannot kill them. Okay, now our next question: how do bacteria come into men's food? So how do bacteria come into men's food? Bacteria comes into men's food along with whom? Along with flies, because flies carry the bacteria from one place to another. Okay, now our third question number 3: how do Montu fall very sick? Okay, our third question: how do Montu fall very sick? Answer number 3: Montu was carrying the bacteria in his body with his dirty hands and after few days he began to feel tired, and his body ached constantly. full stop, he started to have a high fever and severe diarrhea. In this way, Montu fell very sick. How do Montu fall very sick? Montu was carrying the bacteria in his body with his dirty hands, and after few days he began to feel tired and his body ached constantly. He started to have a high fever and severe diarrhea. In this way, Montu fell very sick. So we have done question 1, 2 and 3. Now we will do question number 4. Question 4. What happened when the doctor injected an antibiotic injection in Montu's bloodstream. Okay, what happened when the doctor injected an antibiotic injection in Montu's bloodstream? So what will be the answer? When the doctor injected an antibiotic injection in Montu's bloodstream, a fierce battle started between white blood cells and bacteria. Many bacteria were killed and bacteria could not multiply faster because of the reinforcement of antibiotics. What happened when the doctor injected an antibiotic injection in Montu's bloodstream? When the doctor injected an antibiotic injection in Montu's bloodstream, a fierce battle started between white blood cells and bacteria. Many bacteria were killed and bacteria could not multiply faster because of the reinforcement of antibiotics. So we have done all the 4 question answers which were given in your book. So by this we have completed this chapter. You will write these answers neatly in your classwork copy. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you students. Have a nice day.